Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about Boxycharm for this month of January. So this is actually my first time receiving a box from Boxycharm of this year, 2018, and I'm really excited to show you guys what I received from the inside the box. I'm pretty sure everyone received the same products, but I just want to share and review the products with you guys. I just signed up for Boxycharm not too long ago, probably November, and I had to wait for a little bit to be off the wait list, and honestly it took forever, guys. Literally it took forever, and I finally got my Boxycharm. I got it a bit late, but it's worth it because I'm really excited to see what products I receive and to share and how much they are, and yeah, so just to show you what I received for this Boxycharm month. So let's get started. This is how the box looks like. You pay $21 every month and you get a Boxycharm of 5 full products, and I thought it was really amazing because you receive 5 full product size and it's worth $21. When I open it, you receive a little card. It says Rock 2018, which is really cute. I like that. And then you receive another card. It just tells you a chance to win a Boxycharm worth $400, and then it shows their social media and stuff like that. In back it shows you the products, like how much they're worth and what's in it, what does it do, stuff like that, so which is really cool. First product I'm going to be showing you guys is this Cosmetic brow power universal brow pencil, and this is what it looks like. And the color I got is universal taupe. I'm pretty sure everyone got universal taupe, but I'm hoping it's my shade. Oh, this looks very nice. So it's a full size, which is really great. I love that. And so let's swatch it out for you guys. So this is what the color looks like. It's more goes with brunette hair, dark hair. So I do have dark hair, which is really great. And it has this to brush out the eyebrows. And I'm really excited to use it, and I'm really glad the color it works with my hair because I do have dark hair. So I'm really excited to try this out. Probably gonna do a makeup tutorial using this Cosmetic pencil, so I'm really excited. And I think this is worth $24, guys. $24 for this. It's actually the #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil infused with brow enhancing, and it gives you the most beautiful natural looking brows even if you have none at all. Plus its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. It's exclusive over tip mimics the look of a real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polish perfection, which is really cool because I'm really excited to try this. The next one I received is this Dr.Brandt is Luminizer primer. It says Pores No More. I've never tried this, but I heard about this brand. It's really good and it's kind of pricey, but I'm really excited to try this primer. And I mean, when it says Pores No More, which I do have a little bit right here as a T-zone, so I'm really excited to try this. Apply it on a clean moisturizer skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application AM and PM, which is really cool. You can apply it with or without makeup, and it will actually give you a little glow, which why is this Luminizer primer, which is really cool. And this is worth $38. Wow, for a primer, 30. Well, I think it's normal, because I know that a cosmetic primer is worth around that, but I've never tried this and I'm super excited to try this, guys. And it says deliver a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfection for a beautifully illuminating flawless complexion, which is so cool. And I'm so excited to try it because I've not tried the brands, but I heard good reviews about this primer, so really excited. The next one I received is this Girlastic, and I think is a matte lip paint. Let's check out the color. So this is what it looks like. I think I got Demer. I think that's how you pronounce it. It says it's a matte lipstick, and let me just swap it for you guys just to see the color of it. Ooh, that's very, very matte. So this is the color of it, guys. This one right here, and it looks very matte, I'm not gonna lie. And the color looks very nice. I just my shirt actually. But it looks very cool. I'm so excited to try this. And this one I think is worth $23. Wow. Is the matte lip paint. It's one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long wearing, non-cracking, won't settle. For the better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. So don't apply primer or lipstick or chapstick or whatever. Don't apply any of that. And the color is really amazing. That's something I will definitely wear, so I'm really excited for this. So the next one I received is this Glam Metals by Crown, and it's I think a eyeshadow palette. And you open it, and it comes with all of this cute. It comes with the little guitar mirror, which is really cute. And it comes with these shades right here. And let me just swap it for you guys. It comes with these colors, and they're so pigmented, guys. The shimmers are really amazing, but what I noticed about this palette, it comes with one matte eyeshadow, and the rest, it comes with 9 eyeshadows, and you get one matte, and then the rest 8 eyeshadows are shimmers. So I like the shimmers, they're really nice, and I'm pretty sure I can work with it. But it's really cute. I really like the palette, and I've never heard of this Crown before, but that Crown Pro Metals palette is worth $25, and it says rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes looks a breeze. So that's why they put a one matte black shadow, so you can work with the smoky eye and add a little shimmer in it, and I thought it was really cool. So yeah, so it's really nice that they created something like this, and I'm definitely going to try this out. The last item I want to wait last because it caught my attention. Not only that, but the color of it, the pigmented, is just very excited to try it, and it just caught my attention. So the last product to review with you guys is Pure Cosmetic. It says Bronze and Brighten, and it says Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, and it shows you for blushing, afterglow, and mineral glow. And this is what it looks like. And of course it comes with a mirror, and these are the shades that I got. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a blush. This is I'm pretty sure this is a highlighter, which I'm really scared to use because it looks very shimmer, but either way I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna swap it. Whoa, that's very pigmented. Okay guys, this is so beautiful. Honestly, guys, this kind of reminds me of this ice cream. I forgot what's it called. It's like a little sandwich, and it comes, I don't know, I think it's called sandwich, ice cream sandwich. I'm not so sure, but those colors reminds me of it, because the pink, the vanilla, is strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. It's so funny. Kind of reminds me, but look how beautiful they are, guys. So pigmented, and this one's like glowing. The middle one, which is, I'm pretty sure, is the highlighter, is glowing absolutely amazing. And I actually want to give it a try. I'm going to try the highlighter since my makeup's already done. I just wanted to give it a try. So ooh, look at this glow. It's so glowy. I love this. Okay, I think I'm wearing too much, but that is fine. It's so glowy. I really, really love this, guys. And I'm probably gonna do a makeup tutorial using this small palette. The only thing about this palette, I'm really scared to use the bronze right here, which is this one right here. I'm really scared to use it, but you know what? Shouldn't be scared. We should give it a try, see if we like it or not, you know? But I really love this, and it's just cute. The blush looks amazing. I'm so excited to try that. So this Pure Cosmetic, it's worth $34 and is on the Go Highlight Bronzer and Blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone, featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with a new blush shade, Blushing Glow with Throw Your Back and Ready to Go, which is really cool. I'm really excited to try this. So adding all this up, it will be $144 if I'm not mistaken, but I think that is the total for all these products. And oh my gosh, guys, this is absolutely amazing. I love this so much, and I'm really excited to try this. $21 is worth the price. I'm so excited to try the products, especially the what I'm really excited to try is the primer. I've never tried it, but I heard it's a good brand. I'm pretty sure it is a good brand, but I'm so excited to try this one and palette and this one, basically everything. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy that I signed up for the Boxycharm for $21. It's worth it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, my name is Talia Reyes, and welcome, guys. So yeah, so let me know down below which is your favorite product. I'm pretty sure mine is this Pure Cosmetic. This one's my favorite from all the Boxycharm. So just let me know, just curious, what's your favorite product from the Boxycharm. So just leave your comments down below, and yeah. So, oh, tomorrow there's going to be a mini haul for Ulta. It's just a small little mini haul. I just want to share with you guys because I am going to do a makeup tutorial using whatever I received in the makeup haul. So stay tuned tomorrow, guys, and see you next time. Bye, guys.